Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with Sketch and Craft.
Today we are going to draw a super cute unicorn together. So get your marker, paper and some color ready. Let's start. Start by making magical unicorn horn at the center. Make it long and pointed. Add spiral lines too. Add a flowing banaye around the horn and on the forehead. Sketch the round shape of unicorn's head. Add a curve line. Add nostrils. Draw the eye. Also draw the pupil. Dark the pupil area but leave the shiny part. Draw two pointed ears on the top of the head. Also draw the inside area of ears. Now draw the curved wavy line around the unicorn's head and neck. Add a curve line. Now draw two front legs. Start with two long rectangles from the bottom of body. Now a curved line for tummy. Now draw two more rectangles for the back legs. Draw another wavy shapes on the back of the body for the tail. Now it's coloring time. Color the horn into golden or yellow color. I'm using light pink on the mouth area. You can use any rainbow color of your choice. Pink inside the ear. You can use any rainbow color of your choice. Light brown on the hoops. Well done artist, we have completed the drawing. If you enjoy this, hit like and subscribe for more easy drawings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.